Alright, I'm doing black noodle, spicy chicken, ghost pepper, challenge, Scoville unit, 1,000,000. This is from Daebak.
Okay.
I'm doing the ghost pepper challenge. The noodles.
Make sure all of that's in there. Your face.
Yo, that is fucking thick, dude.
Get a close up on that. That's what it looks like in there.
Oh, Jesus
We got milk just in
Christ,
case.
I'm gonna fucking die. Let's find out.
Wow.
So I hope you get a kick out of watching me die. Alright. Let's see.
Heavy taste.
Actually, really good.
How'd you
The
sleep?
flavor is really fucking good.
I can't see Facebook photos.
Wow, god damn, this is really fucking good.
The screen where
The temperature heat's the only thing that's fucking getting to me right now.
on YouTube.
Tell me when the Zinzer's gonna settle in.
Gonna
Fucking
edit
good,
it?
actually.
We're gonna...
Absolutely. That was like 30-minute video.
See?
17? I don't know, it was like...
To complete the challenge, you have to eat the whole thing without drinking, and then after, you have to wait 5 minutes. That's to complete the challenge, Dad.
Alright.
You can't drink. You've lost. Give Google a 7 right. Eat it! Eat it! Eat it! Eat it!
It's temperature heat that's actually getting to me right now. It's not even the spice.
Oh, I think it's getting to him.
Does that tell you? It's almost gone.
I think it's getting to him. It's just
working.
yeah.
Tastes good. Yeah, it's really good.
What? You just finished it.
The Daebak black ghost pepper fucking noodles.
Imagine if you did.
Delicious.
Imagine if you did.
They are very flavorful. They got some nice heat to them. Make you snot and your eyes water a little bit. I suggest you let it cool down before you eat. And if you don't want your dick on fire or your eyes on fire, I wear some gloves like I just did. But I am going to take my gloves off right now.
I would wash your hands right now.
I'm going to wash my hands because I don't want my wiener or my eyes getting burned. I just completed the Daebak Ghost Pepper Black Noodle Challenge. 1,000,000 Scoville units. Completely successfully did it. Completely gone. Gloves are off. Hands are washed. Noodles are in tum-tum. It's fucking good. You guys who can handle your fucking heat, do it up. For you gals who can handle your heat, I also suggest it. It was good. You would not regret it. It is delicious. The sauce is amazing. The heat is good. Everything is just, it's great about it. Honestly, it's great. All right, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, good night. That was my challenge.